Okay.
Now we're airing our dirty laundry.
So Carter and I have had some disagreements about things before, like, what's an example?
The color of my shirt.
Yeah, there's a shirt that Carter owns that he thinks is gray and I know is blue. We even did a poll on Snapchat. I won by 1 vote that it was blue. So my grandma texted us and said lots of bows for Carter, but he thought she said O's, like XOXO. Lots of O's for Carter, and I thought, oh, lots of kisses.
And I was like, no, she means like lots of hugs for me because O's are hugs.
No, O's are kisses. My argument is that when you hug someone, you cross your arms so you make an X.
Oh yeah, I totally see the X.
No, like, oh, give me a hug, an X. And then when you kiss someone,
I didn't see any X.
You kiss someone, you make a circle with your mouth. And what's your argument?
I don't know. Let me show you how I hug someone. Oh, look, it's an O. And then a kiss is like a... Mwah. Alright, I haven't worked out the kiss yet.
Okay, yeah. I have a fully fledged argument and you have half an argument.
I don't think you have a fully fledged argument because I didn't buy that you make an X
Yes,
when
you
you
do.
hug someone.
Okay, give me a hug.
Is that how you hug?
What do you think? Tell us if we're right or who's right.
Or we could Google it.
Tell us who's right. I'm not gonna Google it.
Anyway.
We're gonna make dinner now. It's been a long day. And like any good dinner, you gotta start with the best. You know what I mean?
You gotta start by ruining the dinner that you're about to make.
That's right.
Okay.
You gotta start
Alright.
by eating something that's gross. Well, I mean, these are delicious. You have to start with something that's super unhealthy so you can appreciate the healthy. We're making grilled, well, is it grilled? What words would you use?
No, grilled implies a grill.
That's what I'm saying.
So
No,
this
I'm with
is-
you on that one. Alright.
This is, what do you call it? It's not like pan fried. It's like sauteed,
Okay.
flambé. This is a high quality video because the food is in the background.
That's right.
And we're in the foreground.
And we're in the foreground.
That's right.
People are what matter. Also, welcome to an episode of We Hecka Need to Take Out Our Trash.
First, you need to remove the fat from the chicken. Just the big chunks.
Tarzan agrees.
Tarzan agrees. I think that looks good. Then you just cut it into nice bite-sized
Carter,
pieces.
why are you cutting away from the cutting board?
What do you mean?
Somebody's hungry, somebody's hungry.
Somebody is
hungry. Somebody, Tarzan's hungry. Coconut oil. The oil, if you're cocoa. I mean loco. Hey, it's National Cocoa Day.
Is it?
Yeah, so happy National Cocoa Day. We're gonna be adding zucchini and we're gonna have a salad. What's in our salad, Carter?
Oh, you know, stromboli, marzipan.
We've been watching too much Great British Bake Off if the second thing you say is marzipan.
Marzipan.
Marzipan. What's in our salad?
Our salad has babe spinach.
Babe spin.
The classic strawberry spinach salad.
I thought too, we have some avocado. We have one avocado that's left and I don't know what to eat it with.
Thanks.
So maybe we can eat the avocado or something? What about strawberry avocado spinach?
I'm not sure.
I have salmonella fingers. Okay, now we are adding.
It's probably gonna be a music portion, like a montage, right?
Yeah. Zucchini time, zucchini time. It's almost time, zucchini time. Do you want me to do halves or fourths?
Yes. Well, how about halves?
Well, too late.
I wish video could transfer smells.
That smells so good. Look at our babe spin. Now we're gonna add avocado. I cut us some straws. We're gonna add feta and yet. Look how big this avocado is.
Crazy.
I hope you enjoyed watching us make dinner.
Why would anyone not enjoy that?
That's what I'm saying. Next time we make dinner, try adding some zucchini or avocado or whatever you want
That's
to do.
the takeaway.
That's the takeaway. Eat more zucchini.
Peace.
Bye. Happy Vlogmas.
Shout out to Devin and Kenna. We wanted to sing you a song after dinner. So kick up your feet and pour yourself some nog. Cause you're the only people who will watch this vlog.
We love you. Recycling Saurus.